This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 110 of the Eleanor build from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is the final part of the car build and the start of something new. This is a corner piece for the lift, which the car is able to sit on top of, or indeed underneath. I'm not sure about anything of that, but the screws and those bits will be put aside. That's probably going to go in there, I don't know, maybe like that, over two of those. But that is for another time. Next time, I think there's another 10 issues to build the rest of the lift, which has got lights in it as well. So that's that. But what we've got today are our two side pieces, which have the exhaust vents popped in, like so. And we've got silver screws to fit these, 3 on each side, onto the bottom of the car. It is slightly bent, but being plastic, it will have enough give in it to get it in the right place. So let me get the car in, Brett, get this out of the way, and fix one of them, and we'll see about putting the other one on live. Okay, so here we go, the last part going in. The other one didn't quite line up right, but it did eventually. So I'm assuming this one's going to be exactly the same. So it looks like the 3 screw holes are all in the right places, but I didn't have much luck with the first one, this pointy one. So what I'm going to do is get that one in first, just a little bit, and then go for the other end. Make sure that lines up as well, which it does. Yep. And then the final screw will go in the middle. And that, after I've tightened all these up, is the end of the build. I shall turn it over, get some interior shots and video shots of the finished car, because that's the car finished, although, as I say, it's not the build finished. But yeah, I've got a new camera to try out, getting some close-up shots as well. So I shall see you for that in just a sec. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon, and appreciate the beauty shots at the end, hopefully. Bye-bye for now.